Let me go scratch paper. And we've just, I guess I'll leave this right here. And we'll keep going. We got 1.5 batches. I'm going to multiply 1.5 times 3 because of my coefficient right here in front of H2. And that will give me 4.5 moles of H2. And I could write that in right here. 4.5 moles H2. So we are so close to being done. If you want to come back and look at this question, we are so close to being there. All we have to do now is find out how many grams of H2 will be produced. We found the moles. We just have our last step. Step 8. We have to convert moles to mass. All right, so we are at 4.5 moles of H2. And if you remember, at the very beginning of this problem, we calculated the molar mass of H2. And to go from moles of H2 to mass of H2, what we have to do is multiply by our molar mass. And our molar mass happens to be 2 grams per mole. So we're going to multiply it by 2 grams per mole. And that will give us roughly 9 grams of hydrogen, of H2. And that will be our answer. Right there. So let's look back. We've done all of our steps here. Let's take a look back and see how it relates with our question. If you start with 108 grams of aluminum and 324 grams of HCl, how many grams of H2 will be produced? 9 grams of H2. And we went through this whole map going from 324 grams of HCl, which was our limiting reactant, converted that to moles, which was 9 moles, converted 9 moles of HCl into 4.5 moles of H2, and then we converted 4.5 moles of H2 to our 9 grams of hydrogen. So I'm hoping using these steps can help you solve any problem like this, where we're going from mass of a couple of reactants to finding the mass of a product, and identifying the limiting reactant as well.